Look at that. Oh no. I gotta hold.
Hold on, it's going to start shaking. Yeah, I'm recording it on video.
I know. It's.
Wow.
I'm recording it too.
Peter rearranged this.
Now this is scary.
Oh my God.
Hey, this is coming back.
Like 2 or 3 feet, we gotta hit the high ground.
Yeah. Here, come. So we get up out of there.
Yeah.
It's gonna come back with vengeance here. Look at that.
Up to the top of the steps. No, there goes mating for today.
Oh, I know. So this is the 20th of March, 2012. Yeah, you can smell that sulfur just coming up. Oh, what time is it?
Started about 1813 or so.
Started about 1813, and it started to amplify, and it's coming back down again.
About 1815.
It's 1815 at the moment.
I'm sorry, 1818.
Seeing
1819.
1819. How about that? See if I can get into a different spot here. It's almost clearing out the whole shelf. Look at that. Oh, Kevin's gonna be so upset. And he's gonna be... We may have to get some of the... I hope this stuff stays. I'm just happy I'm not standing on those platforms anymore.